Well, rattled by the Congress onslaught on Narendra Modi in Ishrat Jahan case, BJP has decided to turn the encounter heat back on Congress. Party's parliamentary board has now decided to put Congress governments in the dock for majority of the 555 fake encounter cases that have been reported in the last 4 years. The party is citing the NHRC report to allege vendetta campaign by the CBI at Congress's behest.
Demonized and damned for Ishrat Jahan's fake encounter in Gujarat.
लोग जानते हैं कि पीछे कौन है.
BJP's 2014 Mascot Battle's unprecedented onslaught.
We have asked for investigation against Rajendra Kumar, the Home Minister as well as the Chief Minister.
The man with the mission of 2014 has decided to hit back. His party is deciding on a retaliatory offensive plan across one question. What about other Ishrats? Why single out Narendra Modi when the country has seen 555 extrajudicial murders in last 4 years?
I will go to the period of 2002 and 2006. Between this period, 880 encounters have happened across the country. 12 encounters have happened in Gujarat, out of which they are calling 4, 5, 6, whatever number as fake encounters.
The National Human Rights Commission has compiled a list of the fake encounters that have taken place in India over the past 4 years. Startling revelations here, but look at the top state over here. It's Uttar Pradesh with 138 fake encounters. Then it goes to the northeast, Manipur, which has shown 62 fake encounters. And after that, the next state that comes into play is Assam with 52 fake encounters, a total of 555 fake encounters in the country over the last 4 years. Jharkhand comes at 30, and Gujarat, when we talk about Gujarat, it's number 17th on the NHRC report with 8 fake encounters.
NHRC data reveals Congress-ruled states and 2 other states ruled by so-called secular parties top the chart for fake encounter killings. Even Delhi registered more fake encounter cases right under state and central Congress governments than Gujarat in this period. A fact not lost in Congress's allies.
जहां तक जम्मू कश्मीर की बात है, ये सही है कि कुछ ऐसे हाई प्रोफाइल इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं जिनमें हम अभी तक लोगों को इंसाफ दिलवा नहीं पाए.
But the Congress chooses to talk only about Gujarat.
जब से गुजरात पुलिस के वरिष्ठ अधिकारी बंजारा जेल में बंद हैं, तब से कोई भी व्यक्ति नरेंद्र मोदी जी की हत्या करने के लिए नहीं पकड़ा गया. उसके पहले लगातार 6 एनकाउंटर 4 साल के अंदर हो गए थे.
While the Congress selectively targets Narendra Modi before the big battle of 2014, BJP is forming up a strategy to discredit CBI as a political tool in the hands of Congress. BJP wants to paint Narendra Modi as a victim. But there is little justice for hundreds of Ishrat Jahans who've been liquidated by the state in the middle of the encounter politics. With camera person Ashwini Hillen, Atish Ras of India for Headlines Today.